All right, give it a couple of big ones. Perfect. Thank you. So now the Fabspeed's coming on, and then we'll do another test once this is installed. We're doing this at Curry's Automotive, so these guys are experts doing these things. I'll get that installed and then do another video once the car is up on the lift, and I'll do a couple of notes on where to cut and how to put everything together. So that should be fun. All right, now that the car is up on the lift, just do a quick walk around, see what the OEM setup looks like. The aftermarket exhaust attaches to the OEM points, so there's no need to relocate or fabricate any of these. So this whole piece, this is really a single piece, and it's gonna be cut somewhere around here. We need to determine precisely where it needs to be cut. And then this is a single piece that's gonna come out. This is the second hanger. Again, should be no fabrication needed. This should be just a straight OEM bolt on to the OEM points. And once I have this off, I'll weigh the exhaust to see what the difference is. I expect that there's going to be probably 10, maybe 15 pound savings between the OEM and the Fabspeed. So we'll get that going as soon as we start the cut, and we can do the weight comparison. All right, ready? Not as loud as I thought it would be, Andrew.
And that's a good thing, isn't it?
Yeah, it actually, well, it is considering my neighbors, but
Hey, do it one more time and we'll post that up on Slack.
So first drive, coming back from the shop after the Fabspeed Muffler delete has been installed. First observation is that it's actually not as loud, not much louder than the stock setup with the muffler, which surprised me. It is somewhat louder, but not to the extreme where I thought I would be waking up all my neighbors in the morning when I start the car. So that's in a sense pleasant surprise, because I was worried it was going to be too loud. On the other hand, I hoped it was going to be a little bit louder than this. Here you can hear the pops and bangs a little bit more than you would with the muffler, but again, not to the point where it's an extreme difference or enhancement of that sound characteristic. I'm running everything else stock on the car, so it has a stock downpipe, stock OEM filter and airbox setup. So there's definitely ways that that can still be enhanced, especially with a downpipe.
I'm gonna test it out here. I really want to see the drone is what I was worried about, and from what I could tell so far, there's a little bit more of the drone itself without the muffler, but it's not extreme. So let's see, where do we hear it?